Oh my gosh. What happened to your phone?
Let's just say somebody very angrily just damaged it. Is there a miracle you could fix it?
Damn. You think that's just somebody damaged? Oh my
I just need the information
gosh.
from it. Please, if you could fix it.
Oh, I don't know. Wow. Don't worry. I got you.
Thank you.
Damn. Like, look at this phone. There is no even phone left. Look at the battery. It's about to blow up. It stinks so bad. It's all toxic. Wow. Somebody was really angry. Is this the worst one? You seen it? Comment below. Or you have seen the worst iPhone? Alright, we're opening this site. Let's start it. The most important here is the mainboard. As long as the mainboard is not damaged, we'll get it fixed. We're gonna need new Face ID. It's broken. Obviously. And this is how the screen looks. Get the frame. The side button stuck on the screen. This part is gone. And look, there is a mirror. Yeah, buddy. You wanna take selfies? Damn, Daniel, what you did? I have new screen here. I will put the new Face ID and get the screen ready. Screen is ready. Let's work on the board. We're gonna take the SIM tray out. Pew! Of course, AT&T. This is actually very dangerous to repair. You see right here, the battery is coming off already. This will catch fire, you know, if you're not professional, if you're not careful. Damn. We're gonna take this mainboard out from here. That's the most important thing. Look at this coming off. Let's get you out of here somewhere safe. You don't belong here. This is what we need. Looking good. I'm so surprised. And this is the most important thing in this one. And it doesn't look like it's damaged. Finger crossed. Watch until the end. Do you think if you put this in rice will work? Comment below. By the way, if this phone get fixed, I want this video to be my most viewed video on this channel. Please share with your friends. This hard work, show to people. New battery installed, new charging port, new frame, new front camera, new back glass, new SIM tray. We're gonna put her mainboard in here and let's make this magic work, hopefully. Finger crossed. put the SIM back in. I'm going to put new water seal too. Your phone is ready, miss. Look at this. Look at this. You got a like brand new phone.
Thank you. Oh my God, you're a miracle. Thank you. I needed this.
You're welcome. Everything in there. You got so many missed
Yes,
calls.
thank you.
Check your phone. Make sure it's working if you want to make a phone call. It's working. It's ringing.
Yes,
Put on the
it
speaker
is.
if you want. Make sure it's.
Hello?
Oh, okay. It's working. Check the cameras. Is camera working?
Let me see.
I hear the FaceTiming.
Mm-hmm. It's definitely working.
Okay.
You can see me?
That's good.
It definitely works.
Nice.
Brand new. Oh my God. Thank you.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.